I'm Jai Sabas Aracama. Kamusta kayo dyan? I'm going to share a few tips regarding singing like a pro. At tatawagin ko mga kaibigan ko. PJ, Kay, can you help me out here? Alam nyo, ang importante ay posture. So, dapat ang posture natin, ang pagtayo, ay kailangan relax ang shoulders, straight ang back, stomach in, strong ang center, at saka hindi kailangan paigid-igid dito ang weight natin. So, kailangan may center tayo dyan. Importante din ang paghinga, ang suporta. Put your hands on the rib cage, expand, inhale to the nose or the mouth, and release. Again, try again, expand the rib cage, exhale. Nakita nyo ba yan? Oh, pero, pag awit natin, hindi natin ko-collapse ang ribs natin. Kailangan ganito. Inhale, and release with an S. Don't collapse, don't collapse. 5, 6, 7, 8, relax. One more time, breathe. Good. Can you see that it's not collapsing like this, but it's sustained like this? Isa pa. Tsaka maganda pa ay mag-head roll tayo para relax ang neck muscles. Or before you sing, or after singing, always check that the neck muscles are relaxed. And then your shoulders are relaxed, so you do this and shake those hands and body movement, shake. And also, maganda yung ginagawa natin na mag-warm up with the lips. And this is called the lip trill. But before we do the lip trill, we have to facial warm up muna tayo. So we do this, and then stretch, and then tongue stretch, and now the lip trill. Para saan pa yan? Ay para masustain natin ang breathing support while releasing small amount of air while using the technique, warming up the muscles inside, not only outside but inside the vocal mechanism. Do a low note, do it, high pitch, and then descending from high to low. I-combine natin siya ng mga consonants. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. La, li, la, li, la. La, li, la, li, la. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ngayon, maganda rin i-combine natin siya to loosen up and warm up ay mag-jogging tayo in place. Tsaka yung mga short notes na yan. Ngayon, papagawa ko sa ating mga kaibigan, itong vocalist na ito. Habang nagja-jogging sila in place. Gawin natin yan. Salamat. Yun ay makakalusen ng muscles and very good to warm up. Siguro awitin natin ng chorus part ng pagdating ng panahon. Ano kaya? Okay, try natin. Alam mo ba yung awitin? Try? Pagdating ng panahon, baka ikaw rin at ako. Nalikay, ha? Can we try and check your vowels, okay? Pag, and open this. Let's support. It has to come from the diaphragm here and don't collapse again. Pagdating and pagdating. Then panahon, release the lips for the pa. Panahon. Then and panahon. Oh, medyo na-stiff ang neck, okay? Panahon and panahon. Then sustain, don't collapse. Okay, medyo nagko-close. Panahon. Keep this open, your throat muscles and okay. Huling-huli na. Pagdating ng panahon, baka ikaw rin at ako. Okay, prepare, breathe. Baka tibok ng puso mo ay maging tibok ng puso ko. was that? Huh? Oo. Yung wag mong i-collapse ang ribs mo pag nagsusustain ka ng note. So you don't collapse this. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Ngayon pupunta tayo kay PJ. Let's try your song, okay? You, okay? Cause it's you. And, cause it's you. Andali. Wait. You, okay? Posture. It's bad. Okay, you're collapsing your back, and then you have no support from your diaphragm. Here, cause it's you. Try, breathe. Cause it's you. More, throw the sound. You. Yun. Okay, one, and. Cause it's you who fills the emptiness. Taka. Oops. Don't breathe in the middle of a word. Emptiness. Yeah?
Emptiness.
Emptiness. Okay?
Emptiness.
Okay.
Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me.
Now, take a breath. Don't collapse.
Changes everything.
It changes. It changes. Yeah? Speak it. It changes.
changes.
Diaphragm. It changes.
It changes.
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 Open. Changes.
Changes.
Yeah. Okay. Cause it's you.
Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me.
Now take a breath.
Changes everything you see when I know I've got you.
Okay, nahina. When I know, and no, you should sing the N and open. No, when I know, support.
When I know.
When you open, support. No, and.
When I know.
I've got you, and.
I've got you.
Breathe.
With me.
Don't collapse. Think tall. Pull up. See how you were able to sustain that note? Wow. Can we do it again from the top? One, and.
Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me.
Pull up. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Nako, sana meron kayong natutunan, ha, Kay at saka PJ. Sana, mga kaibigan, natuto kayo sa aking konting tips na shinare sa inyo about singing like a pro. Dapat, uminom kayo ng vitamin C, matulog ng 8 oras, minimum, at mag-vocalize. Importante yan para maging professional like singer. Thank you.